Excited to play West Virginia Lottery's all-new instance? We're excited to show you how. If you're using a computer, this video will walk you through everything. Looking to play on the go? Check out our other How to Play video for mobile. Step 1. First, open your favorite web browser, Safari, Chrome, Edge, or whatever you use. Next, type wvlottery.com in the address bar. When the page loads, click Sign Up at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and set a password. Make sure it's at least 12 characters long and includes at least one number and one uppercase letter. See the promo code box? If you have one, enter it. If you don't, no worries. You can leave it blank. If you want to receive special offers, make sure to check the boxes. And once everything is complete, hit Continue. Step 2. Now it's time to check your email for the verification code. You should receive it right away, but if you don't see it, check your spam or your junk folder. Copy the code from the email, and then go back to the West Virginia Lottery website and paste the code. Then hit Next. Before your account is set up, you'll need to verify your ID. It's as easy as entering a few pieces of information like your name, address, and birthday. Make sure the information matches what's on your driver's license or state-issued ID. You'll also need to enter the 4 digits of your Social Security number and confirm that you're 18 years old. When you're good to go, you'll see an account created message. That means you're ready to make your first deposit. Step 3. If you just created your account, go ahead and click the deposit button. If you're just logging back in, click your profile at the top right and then click deposit. We offer lots of payment options, but let's use debit card for this example. First, enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum is $10. Next, enter your card details. If you have a deposit promo code, enter it here. If you don't, you can skip this part. If everything looks good, click Submit. A confirmation message lets you know that everything went through and the money is now in your account. You're now ready to play. Just click Let's Play, and you'll discover all the instant games currently available. Not sure what to play first? Try them all in demo mode. It's a great way to figure out how a game works before playing for real money. When you're ready to play for real and win for real, just play in money mode. The minimum ticket cost is typically 50 cents, and you get to decide how many plays to add to your ticket. The total cost of your ticket is determined by the number of plays you choose and the cost per play. Now let's talk winning. If you've won under $600, it'll go directly back into your digital wallet. If you've won between $600 and $25,000, you can claim your prize online without having to go into a claim center. And if you've won more than $25,000, just start your claim online and then head to lottery headquarters in Charleston. Ready to withdraw your winnings? Just go to your account at the top right and click Withdraw. You can only withdraw winnings, not deposits, and the minimum amount available for withdrawal is $1. And there you have it. You're all set to play and win. And don't forget to check out the Responsible Gaming webpage for important tips on having fun safely. Good luck! Remember, 18+ to play, and please play responsibly. 1-800-GAMBLER.